Hello, today we will guide you through how to check Quota in Google Antigravity. To get started, open the Antigravity IDE software on your device. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can clearly see the main workspace and the controls around the interface. If it takes a moment to launch, just wait until everything is visible and responsive before moving on. Starting from the main screen helps ensure the next steps are easy to follow. Once the IDE is open, look toward the top right corner of the window for the Settings option. This is where you can access configuration and account-related details for the application. Go ahead and click on Settings. If your screen layout looks slightly different, take a second to scan the upper right area carefully, since settings menus are often grouped with Profile or System Controls. After the Settings menu opens, select the option labeled Open Antigravity IDE User Settings. This will take you into the user-specific settings area, where preferences and configuration categories are organized for easier navigation. This section is useful because it allows you to review features and usage-related information tied to your setup. When you are inside the user settings, shift your attention to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to look for the section labeled Model. Take your time and scroll if needed, since some settings menus can contain several categories. The left navigation is designed to help you move directly to the area you need without searching through every setting on the page. Once you find Model in the left navigation, click on it to open that section. This is the area you need in order to check the relevant quota information in Google Antigravity. After selecting it, the main panel should update to show the model-related settings and details associated with your usage. At this point, you've successfully navigated to the correct location for checking quota information. If you're following along in real time, it can be helpful to pause here and review what appears in the model section so you can confirm you're in the right place. If anything doesn't look as expected, retracing the path through settings and user settings usually resolves the issue. That's it for this process. You've now learned how to access the area used to check quota in Google Antigravity.